Hey everyone, in the last video we learned how to display the count of categorical variables using Python. In this one we learned to customize it a bit. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I leave a link to the file in the video notes as well as the dataset so you can do the tutorial along with me. So you look at the first cell here, all I'm doing is I'm importing pandas, which is a library to manipulate the datasets, and then I'm importing matplotlib, which is to visualize the dataset. And I'm just reading the data from a CSV file. So this CSV file sits on my machine. I'll leave a link to this file in the video notes so you can download the file as well. So to execute this cell, all you need to do is type shift enter, and the code is executed. So what it's done is it's imported the libraries and it's read this file and read it into a data frame, the pandas data frame. So all we need to do is when we do print.df, print.df.head, it will show us the top 5 rows. And now we will print the count of categorical variables. Specifically in this case, we will be doing P class counts. And it's showing me the counts by class. So you can see here that I've got the counts, but the P class is not visible. And I also don't like, let's say if I don't like the color, how do I change that? So this is a couple of things we learn. We learn how to change the color of the bars, and we'll learn how to change the x-axis so it becomes visible. So all I'm saying is setting color is equal to y and arrow t is equal to 0. So which means a rotation. So the x-axis, it will, if I run this, you can see the color has changed, and you can also see that the x-axis is visible to us now because it's not getting rotated. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.